Hey guys, so I've started to learn Python programming and I wanted to show you some of my progress that I made over the week. Firstly, I started to make a script.py file. It really didn't go well because I had no clue what to do, so I had to Google a lot of stuff. This didn't run because I didn't use any sort of Python syntax, as I said. So after a few days, I was able to create this file. It was quite interesting. I could print this out by doing this. Let me see, and it printed out whatever I wanted it to be. However, I read up Stack Overflow, and some people told me this wasn't the efficient way to do it. They told me to create a function, so I decided to create a function, and let's see, how do we do this? They told me this is how this should be done, and what is it? Okay, right. Yeah. They told me this should be how it should be done. Yeah, it was a weird experience, but I was in the end able to understand what they were trying to say, and I was able to do it more efficiently and learn that, of course, I should use functions rather than just a statement as well. However, I started to question them and question their advice as well, and I was like, why do we need to create a single function to print this out? How about we create a lot of functions? Like, I created a lot of functions. And this made me feel more of a programmer because I was able to code um, 100 lines of code, and that was the most interesting part for me. Another thing that I learned was from their advice that I should name my functions, so I started to name my functions as the words that I loved, like Symfing and Dream, and the Deet. I had other words that I liked. Just ignored this one. Just to be sure, this is camel casing, so this is another thing that I liked. I learned, and this actually runs. So the most interesting part was that this ran, and I was quite happy, and I was jumping around because it did the same thing, but it was more efficient. And Stack Overflow people just didn't know what was better for them. I'm pretty sure this is probably the way. This is the way forward, and this is my progress for a week. I've been learning Python, and I'll update you on any other new stuff that I do. So look forward to that, and hopefully you loved this video as well.